Hi guys, in this episode we are going to install the Terminoli exhaust system on the Panigale V4S. I will show you all the steps how it's built on the bike. And even I will show you what is the differences in weight with the original exhaust and the Terminoli exhaust. And most important, of course, is the sound. With and without the dB killer and the sound of the original exhaust. So let's check the original sound of the exhaust of the bike. We measured the dB at 1.50 meters on the app. The bike is already warmed up, so now we are going to start the engine and have a check what the dB is right now. You saw how many dB. Now we are going to rev the engine at 7000 RPM and check the sound again. So now it's time to remove the fairings. All the fairings are removed. I had some help with that, luckily, because a lot of parts on the bike. Now it's finally time to reveal the unboxing of the Terminoli exhaust for the Panigale V4S. We have to remove the oil and the coolant because we have to remove the radiator to install the exhaust. Yeah.
I want to order 2 Big Mac please and a Coke.
So it was a lot of work, but the original exhaust is removed from the Panigale V4S. This is a heavy part. I'm curious about how much this will weigh. This only weighs 8.6 kilograms. Excuse me. Another pipe at 10.2. Another part 11.7. And the last thing, for the complete original exhaust, weighed 12.2 kilograms. Now it's time to weight the Terminoli exhaust. The scale is 0, so weighs nothing. One part 1.3 kilo. 2.6 of course. Be careful because it's all brand new. 4.6, 6.1, 6.1. It's carbon, so it weighs nothing. 7.9, and the last part 9.1 kilograms. So that's a lot compared to the original exhaust only in weight. So we compared the original exhaust with the Terminoli exhaust and the weight difference is 3 kilos, so that's quite much. The pipes of the Terminoli exhaust, they are different. They are much longer. They are going all the way up back to the bike. And now it's finally time to put the pipes on the bike. Let's go. For the manual you can scan the QR code and you have the manual on your phone. You can see which part with the numbers they are included and how it's be installed. Some information and with pictures, very easy, how to remove the original exhaust and how to install the Terminoli exhaust. So it's quite easy, even if you are not so good in Italiano. English is not there, but you can see the pictures and it's all quite simple to install. We already put the headers on. Now it's time to put on the next part. Put on the bike. Yes, almost there. Fits like a glove. Now it's time to remove the mud guard in the back. This is a different type because this is a higher mud guard because the exhaust, original exhaust, is underneath the bike. First I had to remove the cable and a lot of rubber. This is carbon fiber, lightweight, and so as you can see is much lower. I'm going to mount the bracket. It's like, woo, I think like this, yes. The exhaust will fit also with the original rear set, but we mounted the spider on. I like it more designed and it's like more grip. And also this, if you crash, it will not break, it comes inside. So. Now it's time for the last part, the muffler on the exhaust to mount. Wiggle, wiggle to get it on. Yes. Ta-ta-ta! Beautiful. I'm curious when all the fairing and the whole bike is complete, how it looks. But now already it's amazing. It's much better as the original exhaust underneath. Really cool. With the Terminoli signs and even on this side on the exhaust. Love it. So nice. But we have to do one last part more. We had to add like this part. I have to check where it needs to be mounted, but I will check in the... now I know where this has to be on the exhaust. The last part, it needs to be here and then it's finished. Rip it open. I need a scissor or something sharp to be mounted on the exhaust. I try to speak riparto cosa. Riparto cosa. The last part on the exhaust. Ta-ta-ta. Happy. Looks so much better. The up map comes with the exhaust, so now it's time to install it. Let's plug it in and connect. Now you can connect it with the app and then install the mapping. So the bike is almost in one piece with the brand new fairings. They are just back from the painter, so we had non-stickers on it. Now I'm going to add more stickers on the bike. It's finally time to start the engine and hear the Italian sound. That's better! Let's do the dB check. We are going to check again by 7,000 RPM. Now let's check the dB with the dB killer that comes with the exhaust. It's in. I want to show you the differences with the dB killer and without the dB killer. By our measurement, the difference with and without the dB killer is 3 dB. So now is the bike finally ready with the Italian sound to go on the track and have fun. I hope you liked this video. Stay tuned to my YouTube channel and I will see you in the next one. Ciao!